Hey guys, what's up? Just gonna do a quick video here on Tesla. Um, Basically on my Wednesday and Thursday, or Wednesday through Friday trades on it, and when I would take a day trade on a position on a stock. Usually I take swing trades and I'll hold them for like a week, couple weeks, sometimes a month, depending how they perform. But sometimes I'll take a day trade on it if I see a pattern set up and I'm at the right place at the right time, and my risk is really low or favorable. Doesn't have to be low, but it's got to be favorable. So I got Tesla here, 5-minute chart. Going to show my order flow for just Tesla. Uh, Bought in on the 12th at 11:28. This is Central Time, so it'll be 9:28 our time on the Pacific for Pacific Standard Time. So I bought 4 contracts, which I already got labeled right here with the arrow. 4 contracts around here. It actually engaged for me here on the 5-minute chart, kind of chopped around, and when it broke a new high, that's where I engaged. I go over the 5-minute rule, which basically I don't trade the first 5 minutes. So this candle here is null and void. So this became the high. It's kind of stayed below this 5-minute candle, and when it broke, that's when it engaged. But I didn't get in there because I was a little skeptical with the market, kind of the way it was acting that day. I waited for the pullback and then wait for it to reset up again. So it kind of held up here. So I just took the trade here, got in at a lower price, and then the rest of the day just did nothing. And Thursday we gapped up, started ripping. I just immediately just started taking profits. So I sold 3 of my contracts at a market order. I think was for $1 per contract profit. Sold 3 of them. Let a runner ride, and I set my stop on that runner to my entry point, which is right here. So basically, if this turns against me, the runner, I get out flat on that, but I still made money here when I sold. So it's a win-win situation. You let the runner run until it stops paying you. So on Friday, the rest of the Thursday just kind of faded off, did nothing. Friday kind of dipped down. I actually saw it as a buying opportunity for a day trade. So Nate over in Investors Underground, he has a one of his patterns is that he looks for kind of like an ABCD type trade, and basically you take the high of the day, the low of the day, and then you base your risk off of that, right? And then I wait for higher lows, which is what it did here. Set a low here, set a higher low here, and then another higher low here. So I figured, why not? Let's take the trade. So I got in on this candle as it was about to break new highs, kind of anticipated that. Uh, got in here, I'll show you the order flow. Got in with 4 contracts. Actually got in on the December calls. The calls on Wednesday were the November calls, which were much cheaper. So I got in December calls because I plan on holding a runner a little longer term, and then the November calls actually expire this coming week, so I didn't want to have expiration looming overhead. So I took it a little further out of the money, a little more expensive, but whatever. Got in, immediately started going, ripping. Being that it's Friday, things just don't happen the way you want them to usually. Usually they kind of manipulate the stock to where they want it, or they pin it at certain prices, so it's just Fridays are just terrible times to just trade or buy and hold. So I went ahead and scaled out really quick here. The 253 break, I was like, all right, out most, or out half, and then let the other half ride. And I still had my November runner. So once we started breaking out over here, I actually sold my November runner. Might as well, was up pretty nice on it. And then I still have half my position that I added down here, or that I from this original entry right here. So I got half my position of the December calls, held it over the weekend, We'll see what it does on on tomorrow on Monday. My stop is down here, so I got a pretty nice buffer right here. So whatever happens on Monday, if she gaps up, I might take it all, and then maybe get in on a dip or and just keep playing. Just keep playing it. Wait for it to reconfirm price strength, and you know, wash, rinse, and repeat. As simple as that. Just wanted to go over that real quick. Thanks for watching. Bye.